It came down to the word of a bikie against that of a top cop. Last year, 28 men were charged with leaving their bikes in a no parking area during a protest outside State Parliament. Today, one of the bikies went to court, arguing the police gave them the green light to do so, but the magistrate sided with the law.
A stand on anti-bikie laws has turned into a protest over parking fines. Their decision to pull up in a no parking zone didn't go unnoticed. 28 ended up with a fine. 8 months on, they came to court to argue the penalty should be dropped.
We, at all times, intended to obey police instructions and that we only remained in the no parking zone because Greg was given permission for us to do so.
Greg Hurst is the head of the Brotherhood Christians. He claims the officer in charge on the day, Detective Inspector David Maguire, told him the bikes could stay. The bikies were there to deliver a letter to the Attorney-General opposing the anti-association laws. In court, Inspector Maguire denied giving permission for the bikes to stay. Equally, he didn't ask for the bikes to be moved. No fines were issued on the spot. Police filmed the bikes for their registration and the penalties were sent out later. In the end, the magistrate said the question of permission was irrelevant because the offence had already happened.
A traffic offence in itself is only a minor issue, and my plan is to appeal it.
They say the bigger issue is the bikie legislation.
People are going to be convicted under that legislation with no chance to defend themselves.
With the High Court challenge still looming, the fight against the legislation seems far from over. Carl Herr, ABC News.